Columbia County in south-central Wisconsin, west-central Dodge County in southeastern Wisconsin, until 3:30 p.m. At 2:43 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Fall River to near Lodi, moving east at 25 miles an hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Reports of hail quickly accumulating and making roads icy. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Columbus, Juneau, Lodi, Fall River, Arlington, Otsego, Lowell, Danville, and Leipzig. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.